Okay, this is our 9 weeks review for the third 9 weeks test for 2015. We're gonna start with number 1. Ready? Which of the following polynomial expressions best represents the graph shown below? What do you think we should do? Can we eliminate any answer choices right away?
Yeah.
I can see one right away I want to get rid of. What do you want to get rid of? Please hold. There we go. All right. Here we go. You want to get rid of B? Why?
Because the y-intercept is -1.
Right, that's correct. So get rid of that one. So I'm looking at this one. This one could possibly be it. How can I tell about the other ones?
You have to multiply them.
What do you know about it? Here's my suggestion to you, because there are some things that we haven't learned yet, and I'm not expecting you to use those things. I'm expecting you to use any knowledge that you have at this moment. What do you know? What's a tool you can use? The calculator. What would you do? Can I not just plug in those factored binomials? Can I not just enter those into the y equals and then graph it and see what it looks like and see if they work? Yes, I can. Why don't you try it and see what you get? And it shows you, boom, right away. Oh gosh. Which answer? Yeah. Gracie doesn't have a calculator. Noah doesn't have a calculator. Walter, John. Come on, guys. When you walk in the room, you should be picking up your calculators. Now, that's documented.
I don't have a calculator.
Luke.
Luke.
Luke is documented. You don't have a calculator. Shame.
Oh, John had his calculator.
When you're applying for college, they're going to see this document and you're not going to get in it.
Lucas?
Can't hear it. Yeah.
Plug them in and tell me which one you get.
Anything, what do you
So is that the right answer? No, which one did you plug in? D? All right, Grant says he plugged in D, x squared minus 4x plus 3. And he saw that when he plugged that in, that one was not in the right quadrant even, like, no. So he says D is not right, so let's get rid of D. Okay, what else? Did you plug in A or C? Who's got, somebody to do, all right, Sienna.
I plugged in C and it's exactly correct.
All right, so C worked. C is the correct answer. I'm telling you, use your calculator. Use your calculator. Now, when I say use your calculator to solve that one, what do I mean? You're going to go to the y equals, you're going to plug them in just like you see them with the parentheses, x plus 1, parentheses, x plus 3, okay? And then you hit graph and you can go see it. Everybody good with that? Anybody not understand that, you need to come see me first thing tomorrow morning. Yes?
Is there a reason why you can't just like multiply them out and then just put that in the calculator?
You could do that too, but that'll do it for you. If you just take that, it'll do it for you. Yes, you can definitely use the FOIL method and turn it into a polynomial and put it in there, you bet. There's no reason why you can't. All right, number 2, ready? The area of a rectangular rug can be expressed as 6x squared plus 11x plus 5 square units if the length is x plus 1 units. What is the width? Well, we first have to know that the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. So then we're going to take the area. We have 6x squared plus 11x plus 5 and set that equal to x plus 1. And then what? Times what? We don't know. What should we do?
Factor
Oh, why don't we just factor this?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That sounds like a great idea. Let's factor it. So, is it a perfect square trinomial? No, it is not, because that's not a perfect square, and that's not a perfect square, and that's not a perfect, no. All right, so what are we going to do? We have a method maybe we could use?
T method.
T method? Okay, so let's do that. Let's get rid of that, get it out of our way. All right, so we're going to take 6 times 5, and that gives us 30. Factors of 30, what are they?
5 times 6, which equals 11.
Okay, we could do 5 times 6. Do we want it all to be positive? Because we got plus, plus, plus. So everything positive is good. Is that going to work?
Yeah.
Oh, that one's going to work. That was so easy. So we have 6x squared plus 5x. Do we want to keep it like that, or should we switch them?
No, switch
yeah.
it.
We're using our common sense, smart kiddos, because we want to make sure that we have these things over here that are factorable. So we have 6x plus 5x plus 5. Then we're going to group, Did not mean to do that. There we go. We're gonna group those together, group those together. What can we factor out of here? 6x. Okay, when we do, we're left with x plus 1. Hey, that looks just like this guy right there. Interesting. And over here, what can we factor out?
5.
Okay, 5, and we're left with what?
X plus 1.
X plus 1.
There it is.
That looks just like that guy up there too. All right, so we've got x plus 1 times 6x plus 5. So what is the width?
6x plus 5.
6x plus 5.
So that means the width is bigger than the length, or longer than the length.
Does it really
That really depends on what x is, doesn't it?
Yeah.
No, you were right.
Wait, what's the length?
Does it matter? When you're multiplying things together, does it matter? All right. Number 3. Everybody okay over there?
No.
All right. Number 3. It says, what is the factored form of 4x squared plus 8x minus 5? What do you want to do here? Same thing? I agree. Let's do the same thing. So we have 4 times a negative 5 is going to give us a negative 20. What are the factors of negative 20?
Negative 2 and 10.
So you're saying negative 2 and 10 are going to work?
No.
So we want a positive 10 and a negative 2? Because that's going to give us a positive 8. That's what we want right there. Okay, so we've got 4x squared plus, do we want to keep it as negative 2 over here and 10 over there? Yeah, we do, because we got the 5 over there. So I'm going to say minus 2x plus 10x minus 5. And so we group those, and then we group those. And what can we factor out of here?
2x.
2x.
You want to take out the negative? Or you just want to take out the 2x?
2x.
Okay, we'll try that. Let's try 2x first, and then we're left with 2x here, and what here? Minus 1. And then over here we're going to factor out a 5 or a negative 5. 5, because we look at what we've got in here. We want to keep it going the same, right? So we're going to factor out a 5. That's going to leave us with 2x minus 1. So we get 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 5. That's the factored form of that polynomial. Anybody who got one of the ones with the answer key in the back, are you marking these off as you go? There's one answer on there that doesn't go to anything because I think I took off an extra question as well.
Which one?
We'll get there. All right, so far we've used C off of there, and we've used what? Let's see. 2x minus 1, 2x plus 5. We just got that one. And 6x plus 5. All right, anything else? I feel like I'm missing something.
No. We've only done 2.
We've only done 3?
That's 4.
Oh, no, we have. I just wrote over a 4. Okay, ready?
Oh,
Yes, I've just gotten very sloppy. All right. All right, let's do number 4. It says x squared minus 4x minus 45. I definitely think we should use the T method here. What do you think? All right, T method. We've got negative 45. Factors of negative 45. We got a what? What's going to work? Negative 4 and nope. Negative 9 and positive 5 is going to give us a negative 4. So that's what we want. Okay, so let's think about this here. Where do we want the 5? We want it over here with the 45, or do we want the 9 down there?
5.
It doesn't matter, does it?
no.
Nope, it doesn't. So, all right, so we've got x squared minus 9x plus 5x minus 45. So if you did yours different, it's fine. We should still get the exact same thing. Okay, so we can factor out an x, and we're left with x minus 9. And then we can factor out a 5. And we are, plus 5, and we are left with x minus 9. And so we've got x plus 5 times x minus 9. And that would be our answer. Everybody good? So mark that off of your key in the back as you're going along. I see it right there, second column. I think we can get one more in on this video, maybe two. All right. So number 5, it says, what is meant by the roots of a quadratic function? Who got that one?
0.
Addie?
The x-intercepts
The x-intercepts.
or the zeros.
Good. Where'd you find that?
Well, back here.
Oh, process of elimination by looking on there. Where else could you possibly have found it? Probably in your book. If you still couldn't find it in your book, what else could you have done?
Google it.
Google it.
Oh.
All right. So we're good. We got that one done. Okay. We've got enough time. Let's do number 6.
We have like 5 minutes.
All right. So number 6. It says write an expression that represents the area of the shaded region. So I've got 2 figures. We're finding composite area of 2 figures. To find the area of this guy would be what? 4 times 4, right? And then I'm going to add that to finding the area of this guy, which would be 2x minus 4 times x plus 6. Should I keep going? Is this the simplest it could get, maybe?
No.
I should keep going, right?
Yes.
Ooh, okay. All right, so we've got, then what do we have? We've got 16 plus, what should I do with these?
Do FOIL method.
FOIL. Okay, so let's do first. So we get plus 2x squared. We'll do the outer plus 12x inner. I already used that color. There we go. Inner minus 4x. And then we have the last ones, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I already used that color. I'll get rid of this white. Ooh, not that one. Sorry. I don't know what color that is, but we're going to go with it. Did I accidentally? No. Okay. And then the last ones. We got negative 4 times a positive 6 gives us a negative 4. If I can squeeze that in without, I knew I was going to mess that up. All right, I'm going to rewrite it. So we've got 16 plus 2x squared plus 12x minus 4x plus 24. No, minus 24. Now we can combine like terms, right? All right, so let's combine these integers here. And what do we get?
Minus 8.
Negative what? Okay, and then let's combine, oh wait, this goes up front, 2x squared. And we can combine these two guys. 12x minus 4x gives us what?
AX.
Is that it?
Yep.
There we go, we're done.